making Anglo great again. I'm a good. So what do I suggest? I'm a global okay. My list and no we ever. Then make a time ya dem kuma po. Ka WhatsApp channel na po video na video ma follow WhatsApp channel la. Ma daga the comment section do description na follow kwa kana follow WhatsApp channel do. Make a time ya zo. Apo ka time ya no fima mi adoje mi asro enu. And I've been studying Hobachocho for long. Alabama nyaba miakata made kawe mienya. Ka 2018 or 19 na masaboba me signpost ada waga the strong be nyamanyaba amachicha o atendo kwaza magio. Man not waiting maybe to see that, but welcome to Anglo, something so beautiful. But then till today nyamakpo no more kwa wonu blanyi na nyedeka. Ka what do I suggest? So ma banto la gbanyenya be all these 36 states today, they should all come together. I resolve over differences how. Ikaba anyanu ika anya kpola ba mia view ado juma view gba numa jime mi la daka wo la mia pa amachichi oduma. So banto enye be leadership ado dialogue. Nova over resolve. Numoka tan la ba the moment o glom le social media, o glom le Facebook, TikTok, lo talk wa fia be it will be there forever. Ikabe na mia duma via o mia pa efia be ala ro duma gaba ala nyate fe be mi duma gafa gbesege. So number 1 let's have a dialogue among all these 36 states. Number 2, if possible, let's form a new state. Let's allow be okay, Fifi Agbanto is by Francis Grutter in 1912. Ye fufu all these states together today. Miantowa be a let's form a new state because already whenever you did we are not part like if you have automatically the number reduced. The 36 has reduced. So the leadership now okay, let's form a new state. Now we can know you and Anglo fine. Now I recommend law. I'm going to have a form if a new state. If you have we are building a new state together. Even 95 out of 10 is enough. Quality over quantity, if I may put it that way. Now, point 3, let's write. Whenever this new state, let's write and document our history. The Constitution of Anglo 16. Na hlagbala over 15, na hlagbala over 18. Ikabe na miakata minglo miapa the comment section afia is more than 15. If you ever no gather bubunami la history me. So let's have a full and detailed history. Ikabe onyanu anonyine vichoro. That is point 3.4. Let's establish a clear governance structure. This new or the old state something like constitution. Contribution to the state. Benefit from the state. New clear structure about Ghana constitution lane with laws. A blow for the Kayo wala Ghana. A blow for new omo la nyatefebe anu biam na mi oganya pomhana mitayo ebe. Amokata la America, viokata la America egbe. Nanye pa clear gadami ejadoma. Okata o inada blogbo. Na fa o yo meeting la America UK plotowa. Vi gada ma attend now. Mafuna no leadership gada la outside. Ika that belonging. Umefuna ba you belong to the group. Ka a blau kwe ovuju blau. So if we can do this, gabe nyamweka legbe ha onyabe afana na jojom and they can support. Ka atole be let's build an ICT center. A university le Anglo Nigbaji. Elabe Madofia be the university me ahu joya data for bubu. Even amucho Anglo that they can even support in this. So point 5, let's build ICT center. It can maybe phone repairs, coding, the future noise technology. Point 6, angloga cheap compound ma for so long no me yaf ma masana vava viade. So let's upgrade angloga cheap compound to a modern hospital. Angloga cheap compound to a modern hospital. It is possible we can do it. Then point 7, let's build Angloga Township Road, especially a mama that major road. Because to the Nyahotama Close Cemetery, mama for a young chove. May be a get Angloga Jumako cemetery. Don't have go. I figure drama. I want now you not have what you come. I feel I get a Jumako cemetery. Don't have go. No problem. We will talk about it. So Anglo a mama nyata paper my phone aside anytime I'm passing through that road. Let's see, me upgraded to double lane with a street light, beautiful. Ike namado bonava miagba, we can be proud. So let's upgrade the Anglo Road to Strong Bay. Let's do something about it. Then point 8, let's build Anglo, or let's create a global Anglo diaspora network or group. Okpa de miano plus every year na mebe miado hogba zan ado miado azande. At least mi ha mi the London have a lunch. Mi the UK have a lunch. That is what they are doing every year because they are selling their culture to the world. E will be ye vo feel na be efia de kakwe le Ghana. Bakake alabanka won't to drum. So this diaspora work can also help us, but nemia zaudu at least. Miapa fia wama chichi wama gamela fia. We can also support them to showcase our culture. And nabe a review le they can feel proud. Then 10, let's rebrand Hogbechocho Festival. Let's rebrand Hogbechocho Festival. Now all these new states, although the old one no katoga lover you're back together. Every year, me make sure all these states goes to Hogbechocho. Arokatova and Ngloga to celebrate Hogbechocho. Maganya no anya voluntarily. Imagine, every year or next year, about a Jokata will move to Anglo to celebrate Hogbechocho. That will be beautiful. A blow or meeting. So let's try and see that. Then Hogbe Park, let's upgrade it. Let's build it like a mini stadium. Ika for table tennis, for football. Like it should be a place whereby stage, something like that. Every year, at least let's be proud of who we are. Then let's build a modern Anglo Culture and Heritage Center. Anglo Culture and Heritage Center. Ika be history. Miatan kpogere la fuma miato beautiful nu kanya nu ladanya do nu kachianya we can get it there. Ika excursion anya nu school gada clean for sharp clean school view ayi have astro history have a nu kanya nu ka miato biola kodaranyi. So 11, let's create youth parliament. For kata what never add the nugle. Nenane Jojo Malabe, very amateur gada tovo. Come globe. The next leaders will be the youth. So let's create a youth parliament to dialogue on issues and to resolve issues. 12. Afmak Blokama WhatsApp channel, follow the WhatsApp channel and let's learn together. Let's create Anglo Development Fund. Because this must or should benefit all the new states or government. Let's have an account whereby Anglo via support project that voluntarily attend support or donate to that project. Because across Anglo, there are so many communities that they don't have water. There are so many communities. School common GP the way people are living in most of our communities, Volta region. So let's create a development fund to all these communities. Number 1 is health. Community clinic. So this fund should be targeted to these communities, which I believe and other so many things. If you know some, drop it under the comment section. Let me which so I believe let me won you kata and another our face will change. So many things will change. Share the video. May God bless you.